Hi. I'm going to try to answer some questions I've been getting about the motor mounts and what position the motor is in for this V6 stuffed in this frame. So what we have here is, I'm going to use this to point with, I guess. All right, so what we got here is this is the standard V6 motor mount. This piece here, see this piece here, they still sell this, but it don't look like this. I think this is, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that this is from like a 1972 to 81 maybe GMF body motor mount bracket. Like I said, I don't think it's like stamped and a little bit made a little bit stronger than how this one is. And this is just a metal plate, which I'll show you on the other side. This oil filter is in the way to show you underneath. And then this here, this is the standard motor mount bracket that used to be right here. I cut it loose, put quarter 20s in it, and then a 3/8 bolt to locate it. But then I welded it in underneath, and I welded it in place. And then just so you get an idea, this is the original. This hole was here, obviously. So that distance between them two is somewhere around 4 and 3/8. And I'm going to give you this measurement from this mounting bolt that goes through this and this. From the edge of the frame is, sorry for the jumping around, is, let me look, 6 3/4 from that bolt to this side of the frame. Because they are different, the motor is offset. So, okay, let's go to the other side and I'll show you over there. All right, this one's a little, let's see what we can do here. This is my new steering shaft, so it's kind of in the way. But anyway, same deal on that one. But the distance from that bolt to that is 5 inches on this side. It's 5 inches from that bolt to the edge of the frame on this side. And if you see under here, let me get under there, take a look at that. Okay, so you see I have a metal plate right here, 1/4 inch metal plate, and it goes down to this piece right here, that piece right there, right here. That piece goes across and ties in the same as here, is over there. I don't put my skid plate on that, but I am going to actually take this one off and put a heavier one on. This is like temporary, just so I could get a pattern. It was easier cutting it out of this thinner gauge, but I'm going to put a heavier gauge channel on there because it is going to take some weight. Then it actually helps balance these being bolted together with that being cantilevered like that. So it kind of balances that out, gives you almost like a cross member. I'm going to make that a little bit heavier. And then from here, like right on here, just so you get an idea for the height of the motor. So from off of the frame where this motor mount is, you're about 9 3/8 or so to the bottom of here for your height of your motor from your frame. I mean, that's the only place I could give you a good measurement from. And yeah. All right, so in the distance here to there is the same for the motor to keep it straight, but it is this way, what was an 1.75 inches. That's how that ended up there. So I hope that shines some light on some of that, how that's on there. It seemed to work out pretty good, considering that these are the right size for the frame and they're nice to weld back on. And that, but like I said, I did bolt them just in case I had to tweak them or something like that. So that's how that ended up. But that's how the motor's in there. I hope that helps. You want to take another good look at it. There it is. Like I said, that bracket, that thing doesn't look like that anymore when you go to buy it. See how that looks? Don't get hung up on that. That bracket does not look like that. This one right here, that one right there. It's like more stamped. It's stronger, actually, the way it looks now. It looks like it's actually made stronger. If I have any problems with those, I'm gonna change that out. Thanks for watching the video.